Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to the Ganesh IAS Academy, and this discussion is all about previous year prelims question discussion, and here we are going to discuss the economic questions. Let's start the discussion. See, it's one of the I won't say it is the easiest question, but with the basic understanding you can answer the question. Okay, it's like odd one out. Okay, what are the things that are odd towards on the four statements? You can easily eliminate it and you can get into the answer. Okay, first of all we will discuss the question. Which of the following activities constitute the real sectors in the economy? Okay, statement 1, farmer harvesting their crops. Okay, second, textile mills converting the raw cotton into fabrics. Third, a commercial bank lending the money to a trading company. Fourth, a corporate body issuing a rupee denominated bond overseas. Okay, select the correct answer. First of all, with my basic idea, I just know only three sectors. Okay, agriculture sector, manufacturing sector, service sector. I don't know what is real sector. Okay, even 99.99% of the aspirant don't know what is real sector. Okay, while they are approaching these kinds of question. Okay, while they face this question, they also don't know what is a real sector. Okay, but that is none of the issue. Okay, with the basic idea, or else with the strategy of elimination, or else with the idea of odd one elimination, you can go for an answer. Okay, so let's find the odd statement from these four statements. Okay, consider that farmer harvesting their crops. Okay, so the farmer is harvesting a crops. Okay, textile mills converting the raw cotton into a fabric. Okay, this is also okay. Okay, because this two statement is focusing on the output. Okay, next, come to the third statement, a commercial bank lending a money to a trading company. Okay, first two statements look somewhat different from the third statement. Okay, then go for a fourth statement, a corporate body issuing a rupee denominated bond overseas. Okay, the third and fourth is look different from the first two. Okay, so the answer will be either 1 and 2 or else 3 and 4, because you can easily club 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, because both the thing is speaking about the money. Okay, this both the things are speaking about the output. Okay, so in such a way I can easily club 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So the answer will be either 1 and 2 or else 3 and 4. Okay, so I have to find the options. Okay, look whether there is any 3 and 4 options, or the 3 and 4 is come with either 2 or 1. Okay, so the 1 and 2 only be alone statement in this. Okay, only alone option in this. So by that itself you can go for answer as E. Okay, without knowing what is real sector you can answer this question. Okay, so even the question setter of the UPSC prelims, okay, they know that large chunk of the UPSC aspirant don't know about the real sector. Okay, but why they are making such a question is they will give certain key within the question itself. Okay, so you have to find the key. The key is these options. Okay, if they give the 3 and 4 as an option means you can't go for an answer. Okay, for that only they just left it as 1 and 2 only. Okay, so the answer is A, 1 and 2. Okay, so in such a way also you can answer a question. Okay, without knowing what is the real sector you can answer it. Okay, so the UPSC syllabus is all about the universe. Okay, so they can ask whatever things. Okay, so you can't say that this is out of syllabus. Okay, so in this scenario you have to guess it. Okay, or else you have to made a odd one out strategy. Okay, by that itself you can answer it. Okay, okay, let's discuss what is the real sector. Okay, see, the real sector is responsible for the production side of economy. Okay, it include all activities that directly produces goods and services. That is the key. Directly produces the goods and services. Okay. Farmer harvesting their crops, it is the direct output. Okay. They are producing the direct output towards the market. Okay. Textile mills are converting the raw cottons into a fabric. That is also a direct thing. Okay. The output is going directly towards the market. Okay. Consider the third statement. Commercial bank lending a money to a trading company. Okay. So commercial bank lend the money to the trading company. The trading company will invest in the company. Okay. That company have to produce the goods. Okay. So this much of chain reaction they have to do. Okay. So this is called as indirect way. Okay. This is not a direct way of producing goods and services. Okay. So this is called as indirect way, or else it is called as monetary sector. This is not a real sector. Okay. So third statement is speaking about the monetary sector. It is not speaking about the real sector. And the fourth statement, corporate body issuing the rupee denominated bonds overseas. Okay. Rupee denominated bond is nothing but a masala bond. They are speaking about the masala bond. Okay. So the masala bond, with that masala bond they get the investment. Okay. So this they are getting it from the foreign source. They issued the masala bond and they are getting a money. Okay. So they are going to invest it in their factory. By that they are going to produce certain goods and services. Okay. So this is also a indirect way of producing the goods and services. Okay. So this is also called as monetary sector. Okay. So first two, 1 and 2 is speaking about the real sector, whereas the 3 and 4 is speaking about the monetary sector. Okay. So see, this is the way you have to try to answer the question. Okay. So hereafter, if you are coming across any questions that is totally unaware to you, means try to be in a common mindset and try to answer it. Okay.